buddies, Jaromsz here.
For today's video, we are going to do a tutorial on how to check flight status for the top 3 airlines in the Philippines. We will be putting the link on the description box. For the first airline, Cebu Pacific, just go to their website and click the flight status. Then you will be redirected here, where you will have two options to search, by route or by flight number. We will be using by route, so just select your departure and destination cities. Choose the flight date and then click check status. Here you will see all the flights for the day you selected. Next, for Philippine Airlines, also go to their website and click on flight status. You'll also have two options here, search by flight number or by origin and destination. We'll be using origin and destination. Just select your departure city, destination, and departure date here. Then click check status. It will show the flight status here, and for this day, they have 5 flights. You'll also see here the actual departure and arrival times for each flight. Finally, for AirAsia, just go to their website, then tap the 3-line menu on the left and select flight status. You'll be redirected here and you'll again have two options to check the flight status, by flight number or by route. We still be using by route. Simply select the from and to destinations. Choose your departure date, then click find flights. And here you'll see all the flight statuses.
So that's it for today. See you next tutorial, buddies.